We're going to be making some octopus. Yes! Hey, Chef Andres at home. As you heard from all that excitement, we're going to be making octopus. Yes, it's delicious. One of my very favorite things to eat all time. Quite likely you've been to the store, you've seen octopus, in the fish shop or at the fishmonger and go like, yeah, I'll pass. Most likely you pass on that octopus because either you don't know how to cook it or tried it before and it just didn't come out right. It was rubbery, it wasn't cooked enough, or you overcooked it, it fell apart. I'm going to show you how to cook this octopus with a foolproof method. It's going to come out perfect every time. This is going to be the way you're going to cook octopus from now on. If you like the content I'm creating, please don't forget, smash the like and subscribe button so we can get to more people like you. Let's get cooking. We're going to cook this octopus on a pressure cooker. Yes, you heard right, pressure cooker. It's the absolute perfect method. It's the easiest way to do it, and it's fail safe. Watch along and learn. Here's my beautiful pressure cooker. Oh, I love you, baby. I recommend you getting one of these guys, for your cooking arsenal. A truly life-changing piece of equipment. It shortens the cooking times drastically, which is gold nowadays that, we don't have a whole lot of time for cooking at home. Should I say more? I think probably I already convinced you. Set up your pressure cooker with enough water so you can cover the octopus, throw in the spices, and now the veggies. It's time to remove the beak out of the octopus just with your fingers. Pull the beak out and toss it. Yeah, it's kind of tough to eat. It's about the only piece of the octopus that's not edible. Bummer. Time to place the octopi in the water, and the next thing, it's going to be close that pressure cooker real nice and tight. After cooking 20 minutes on high, it's time to release the pressure before opening the lid. Please make sure you do this step before you even attempt opening that pressure cooker. That octopus is looking amazing. Look at that. Oh man, it's already making me hungry big time. Tempt that octopus to make sure it's perfect. I think a great range is 197 to 202 Fahrenheit. If the temperature is right, go ahead and take the octopus out of the water. The octopus came out amazing, yes. Can't wait to try this thing. I'm going to show you a recipe now and how to prepare it with garlic, a little guajillo pepper, lots of olive oil, some veggies. You're gonna absolutely love this dish. There is the sliced garlic, the guajillo peppers. Try to get all the seeds out as much as you can. Julienne onions marinated with oregano and some chili flakes. Delicious crispy peppers. Those bell peppers are super sweet. I have some pre-cooked potatoes, and we're ready to get cooking. A pan over the stove, low heat, lots of olive oil, the guajillo chilies, and the garlic. Cook it nice slowly in order to infuse all that olive oil deliciously with all the flavors. With a wooden spoon, keep moving that garlic and the chilies often so they do not burn. Strain that oil the best you can and put the chilies and the garlic on a plate. Place the pan back on the heat. This time, high heat's good. Lots of olive oil again, the peppers, and shortly after, the onions. Lots of it. Yes, I love those onions. Once the peppers and the onions are nicely caramelized, toss in the potatoes. Now it's time to get those octopi legs separated. Look at that. Yes, that's going to be delicious. Peppers and onions out, that garlic chili oil on the pan, and it's time to get those octopus legs nice and crispy. Give those legs a quick turn and continue cooking and making them crispy. Stir in the garlic and the Guajillo chilies. Oh, it's smelling intoxicating. Deglaze that pan with white wine so we can pick up all that fond, aka all the flavor that's stuck to the bottom of the pan. It's just a fancy way to say it. Once the alcohol of the wine has fully evaporated, we're going to season it with a quality sea salt. And the octopus is ready. It smells so good, I will probably eat me a whole kilo of it. Let's finish the plate so we can get to the most important part, which is getting it in my belly. We put the potatoes, the onions, and the peppers, which has been sauteed super nice and caramelized on the plate. And then we're going to top it up with this wonderful octopus. There you go. Oh man, this is so fantastic. Ooh, come to Papa. Yes. Ooh. We're gonna pie high that octopi on this plate. I'm not going to share this with anybody. It's only for me. Ooh. Look at that. Look at those little Guajillo peppers and the garlic. Let's make it rain. Guajillo and garlic rain. Is there any better rain than that? And the last touch is going to be some more olive oil for good measure. Fantastic. Octopus! Octopus! Yes! I feel like a little kid. This is like, whoa, amazing. Let's dig into this beautiful thing. Wow! So good. Wow. Tender, but it's got the right chew to it. You don't want the octopus to fall apart and feel like super soft. You want that perfect chew on it. In this, it's perfect. Garlicky, the potatoes, the Guajillo, sweet. Very little spice, but just the right amount. Wow. I love this. I'm so glad that I was able to make this. Super happy with the results. You, yes, you should definitely make this. You're gonna love it. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. The octopi song. It's so delicious.